Hello, and welcome to the Bluebird Babbles sessions, where we explain an environmental topic in 5 minutes or less. In today's video, we will discuss coral gardening. Coral gardening is when fragments of coral which have been generated by disturbances are used to restore coral colonies. So how exactly does this work? Well, the fragments collected are transported to a nursery where they are grown for several months and then propagated to create new material for nursery expansion or outplanting. Raising coral colonies this way allows practitioners to generate hundreds of colonies while minimizing the damage and risk to existing coral populations. Both of the methods shown in this video have been proven to help coral reefs recover, and when coral reefs succeed, so does their entire ecosystem, as they play an important role in providing habitat and filtering water. As always, if there is a topic you would like us to do a video on, please let us know by sending us a message on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or our website, the links for which are all in the description of this video, as well as on the banner of our channel. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos as they become available.